Hello everybody, today we make codfish piccata. For the ingredients we got codfish, caper. The caper make sure to wash really good. I need flour, salt and black pepper. I need butter, lemon and wine. And we got chicken stock I got on the stove for warm up already. It's everything delicious. First thing I want the flour. And we do look at beautiful piece. And make sure the flour really good, both sides. Okay, and we put right over here on this dish. Okay, now let's put the gas on. And we use oil. And we got a butter. I put now 2 pieces now. When it start to melt, I put the fish. We put the rest of the butter. I got 1 more piece. Okay, now the butter it's melted, the oil it's hot too, and we start put now. And make sure to put on medium. Okay, you don't want to burn this, because this you got to be nice, beautiful color. Okay, and we put this like maybe 4 minutes on one side, 4 minutes on the other side, and we take out, and after we gotta do the rest. Okay, now this is about 4 minutes, but when you turn on the other side, that's the way I do, like this, you see? I put my hands right over here, and you turn, look how beautiful. And you put it back, like this you not burn yourself. Because this it breaks so easy. And look how beautiful. Okay, now we cook on this other side for 4 more minutes. Okay, now like I said, I got this like the little butter, and we put it now inside. I don't want too much, the fish got to be nice, beautiful color like this. And now the extra butter, and almost we got to take it out, okay, for 4 minutes. Okay, it's 4 minutes, we load the gas. And I want to take it out, and I put it right over here on this dish. It looks so nice, so good. Okay, now we put a little extra more oil. And we start now, we put the lemon. Got a wine. And now we leave it, evaporated the wine a little bit more. And the caper, it like the lemon and the wine. And we got a caper. Now we put the chicken stock. Okay, I got a little extra, so I need more, I got over here. Now we wait, it start to boil, and the fish you gotta go back. Okay, now this is boiled good, everything. Now I want to tell everybody, you know, cause this kind of the fish, when it's fresh, you know, it break a little bit. But it's so delicious, but everybody know that it's like this. Now, we put it back. Okay. It's the way now. And now we put a little, this is the lemon, the caper, everything. And once in a while, you do like this. You put it right on the top. And do not turn no more. The more you turn, more it break. Now this you gotta cook like 8 minutes. Okay, this is ready. And we put it right over here. And now it's the time of the taste. And let's take this piece right over here like that. Look at this. So beautiful and tender. Okay, little caper on the top. Good. And we use a little parsley. And to make sure, Pasquale, you got your wine, okay? Oh, look at that. So tender, so delicious, smells so good. Really good. It's cooked delicious, it's cooked good. And with a little wine on the side, I want to say salute e chin chin to everybody. I hope somebody make this dish. It's really delicious. Smells so good. Chin chin e salute to everybody. And we see next video. Chin chin. Salute.